is what we are doing. We are passing a current of around 200 microamperes in your body with the help of 6 electrodes, 2 hand electrode, 2 feet and 2 forehead electrode. Now this current is going through these 22 segments that you see over here. These 22 segments actually represent the interstitial fluid of your body, the fluid that is actually present between two cells. Now the reason we are testing this fluid is that because it has got no chemical buffers. So even if there will be a slight amount of change which will take place, it will be recorded as a resistance to the flow of current. And wheresoever that organ will give the resistance, there will be a potential drop that will be taking place, and it will be recorded as resistance and conductance of these segments, which will tell you about the functional level of all the organs, whether they are functioning at a normal pace, increased or decreased, and what is the diagnosis behind any sort of discrepancy that might be taking place. The second screen that you see over here is happening through this probe. Now it has got a red color light. Since your blood is also red color, so it creates a deflection wave like this. This actually tells you about the blood flow in your vessels, whether the flow is laminar and smooth or whether there is some sort of turbulency which is happening. If there is some sort of turbulency, whether that is due to the LDL deposition in your arteries or due to the normal aging process that takes place with time. And if any of this has taken place, has it started putting up pressure on your heart and created any cardiac pathology as in left ventricular hypertrophy or not? The screen that you see over here, sir, is happening through a 50 Hz AC current, which will tell you about your body composition analysis. That is how much is your muscle tissue, how much is your water tissue in the body, what is your fat mass, and what is your energy expenditure on a daily basis. And the screen over here will do a complete stress mapping for you. That is, currently you are just physically present over here or mentally also over here or not. Whether you are emotionally stressed or there is some sort of work-related stress, and whether this stress has actually affected your bodily functions and created a disbalance in your stress hormones. Now sir, in the second part of the test, I will be asking you to take a deep breath through your nose. Then please hold it for 15 seconds, and when I say, please expel it through your mouth in a forceful manner. It has to be done like this. So it has to be a forceful expulsion. Please take a deep breath in.